Hello friends, today the topic of this video is that why we speak English language when we are communicating all our matters in our regional language or in our national language. So what need of learning English language? Why people are so much curious to learn this language? What benefit we can get by learning this language? I will talk about this ahead in this video, so please watch this video till end and please subscribe if you are new on this channel. Actually, I was sometimes working in regional language in my previous time, and in regional language you know that no need of speaking exotic languages or national language, even national language. But when I was making videos for a television channel, that channel is in regional language, so I have to make the programs in regional language. All the other communication, when I will communicate, when I use to communicate with the heads of that channel, with the producers of that channel, I have to communicate in English language, because this is a good impact on others, that the person who they have hired is eligible and he can handle the matters, because that channel is telecasting their programs from other country, European country. So if you get a chance to go in America or USA, USA mean same in UK, I mean UK, then when you will apply for a visa, you will have to go to embassy, you will have to give interview in English language. So for that reason I think English is necessary, because if you are not using English language in your daily routine, but sometimes you will have to use it properly. If you are working with some organizations or with some NGOs, and you will have to communicate with others, you will have to make some kind of visits in other countries, then it is necessary. Then you will know the importance of English learning. So I think that in present era, when you will visit on different sites of social media, you will find lot of stuff in English language. If you want to know about other countries, the most of the stuff of that country is in English language, because you don't know the national language of that country. For example, what is your national language? I don't know perhaps your national language. So when I am willing to know about your country, I will have to search videos or articles in English language about your country. Then I would come to know that what things are in your country, specific things about which I want to know. So in the same way, if you want to know about our culture, then you have to search videos in English language. When you will search videos in our national language, you are not familiar with my national language, then how it will be possible for you to understand this language? So this is the common language. English is the common language through which we can communicate, we can read articles, we can watch videos, and we can know about other countries, culture, religion, so many other things. So I think that in present era it is much necessary for a person who is willing to know more about the world, who is willing to visit around the world, to know the English language. Without learning English language, I think that he will face some problems while traveling, while browsing social media, or while doing some other things, knowing about other countries. So if you are interested, if you have time, then start learning English language. No matter what is your age, you can learn English language at any age. Age does not matter for learning anything, and start now and improve yourself. First improve your listening skill, then try to speak, then reading, writing and other things. Hope you find this video useful. In next video I will talk about some other topics. Till then, allow me, and if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing this channel so that you never miss our other videos. I Altaf Malik and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.